Welcome to another maybe exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So, I'll play it like this. F4. Queen G4, bishop D7. E6 looks dangerous. Okay. Is H3 or knight G5? Just bishop C4, bishop C4 here. This looks like a very interesting position. Although, okay. In the opening, maybe bishop B5 before F4, before E5. But anyway, this looks interesting. D takes E6 is looking interesting. Or just A4. Maybe just A4. See what he's doing here. Just keep the queens on for a moment. So H3. Already I'm rewarded. That was quick. D takes just looks like absolute murder. I don't know what he's doing with that move, because he's just gone into a major pin. Does that help? Can I just take that? I mean, also, this is the discovered check as well. Why don't I just like wake up and win 2 pieces there? It's like discovered check in any case.
Check.
So knight G5 looks as I'll be winning the queen anyway with double check. Okay. All right. Yeah. But I'm just wondering about the opening. Yeah, I think what I played is an inaccuracy. Bishop B5 check concerns me. If here, then E5. This is a classic line with very sharp in its own right. It's supposed to be theoretically good for white, but this position is like supposed to be the anti-Benoni Smith-Morra system. But this is just premature, I think. Yeah, I think this is the blunder. I think just here, and it's just premature. Although it might not be entirely completely lost for white immediately, but it was premature, I think. Just knight F7. Although this is an interesting try for Blitz game. I've seen an idea like this in the master game, I think, or 2. Yeah, but it shouldn't have worked like this. This is just too good for white. Far too good. So his best shot was bishop takes. It's horrible if that's his best shot, because that's weakening a lot of dark squares. Yeah, I can just win 2 pieces with this guy with check here. I mean, this is okay, but yeah, I can win 2 pieces with this guy with check. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. Okay, comment some questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.